Okay, so we're going to start taking apart the wheel assemblies, and the way this wagon was quote unquote redone, there's some wood to space out between the wheels and the bottom of this. So I do have some wood glue for that. The bolt holes are through that, but we'll show you that here once we get some of this out of the way. Enough wood. But again, this isn't going to be perfect restoration or purest restoration. We're just going to fix it up, clean it up, and just, to be used. Of course, the wheels and everything else will need to be cleaned. I will go ahead and move over here. Hey, Bruno. And we'll set up underneath the main light here. Thanks to my lovely wife who is helping me record this at the present time because I can't keep it far enough away from my face until we get our stand. It has standard screws and bolts, but like I said, you can see right here and right here where the wood was spaced out to clearance the wheels. We'll still use that, but once we get the wheels apart, I don't know if it's been glued or if it's just bolted on with the rest of the assembly. So once we take that off, we'll find out and go from there. Okay, so we need a standard screwdriver. And what size do we think we got there? Okay, that looks like a 10. Looks like he wants to measure. So we'll go measure. And we'll see if we can get these assemblies off. Oh, actually, it might be a 12. I'll be good. It's a standard. Probably a 3 days. That one too. 7/16. There we go, 7/16. All right. Socket probably not easy. Socket's going to be a lot easier. And we'll go Korean drive. And of course, because of the clearance issues. And he had used those nylon nuts on there to secure it, which probably a good idea. But if we put a little thread lock on that next time. Alright, let's go ahead and get our magnetic tray. So we don't don't lose any of our parts. Nothing like losing a nut. Stubborn because they are tight in that wood. Either it swelled up or he drilled a smaller hole and threaded them through. Not sure, but we will find out as soon as I can get this, because the screw ain't moving, but the nut does. So that tells me. Which might be okay. Owie, stubborn monkey. Looks like they're using old painted. I didn't soak these bolts and nuts because they were in pretty good shape and the threads didn't look real rusty. So I didn't have to worry about damaging the threads or moving these. But if there is any rust in between in the wood, because the tops of the heads are pretty rusty, we'll go ahead and clean them up on the wire brush. Since there's really no reason not to reuse the hardware as much as possible, unless you have to cut it off or it's damaged or just past the point of being useful. Hopefully you guys can hear what I'm saying. So we'll work on that. Oh, must have been a squirrel or a rabbit. There goes Bruno. Out the door he went. Okay. Well, the first one's done. Alright. And yeah, the wood wasn't even glued. I might even replace that. I think I got enough here of the new stock that maybe we can come up with something, or maybe clean this up a little bit. I mean, it's still pretty solid, just kind of looks old and dry rotted probably. This one doesn't even look straight, as you can tell. So, but we'll go from there. Now we'll just go ahead. We'll just rotate so that my wife doesn't get a crooked neck. And okay. And these little portable work tables work pretty good. Man. Wow, that one's in there pretty good. There we go. Oh, but screw it is. Something with a bigger. There we go. Something with a little bigger head. Probably got to be an easier way, but I haven't found it yet. But as time progresses, we'll find out. There we go. Oh, you stinker. Okay. Whew. Nice warm evening today. Oh, Bruno, what do you think? Like to ride around in that? Gave him a haircut yesterday, and still don't think he's too happy with me. But yeah, him and the groomer didn't get along very well anymore. Another thing that we have to do here ourselves. Yeah, it looks like the son's back from work. We'll be doing an oil change on his car this weekend, I think. Yeah, it took us less than 12 hours to sell his old Jeep. But yeah, it took us a week and a half to find another car. So yeah, it's kind of strange. Okay. This is going to be something. Okay. Over there. Over there. Let's see if we can plug this thing. There we go. Oh, there he is. He's coming to investigate. How's work? Fine, why? Was it busy tonight? Yeah. Okay. Well, we're kind of doing our introductory video. See how that goes. Once we get started on this, he might be my tech advisor. When he has time from school and work. But we'll see. All right. Oh, there we go. All righty. All right. Yep, there we go. There's the second half. And all we have to do is take the wheels off, and we'll clean that up and repaint that. Yeah, this wood here, what we'll do is we'll just, since this is probably a little thicker, see about spacing this out, and we'll catch you back here in the next time. Thanks.